guys, and welcome back to Viewpoints. And today, thought I'd make an update this afternoon. Now, first of all, you can't really see much of the fire in this update. First of all, it's grown to 400 hectares, right? From what I've seen less. So it is a bit bigger. I feel like I can see the fire line in there, which is definitely much farther forward. However, the fire seems to be moving up the hill, which is good for us because, well, it's not coming towards Sicamous right now. It's kind of in that valley over there right now. Like I said, it's really hard. It's really smoky. Tomorrow morning I should be out with an update because I'll get shots tonight of the fire when it's dark outside, because the fire will illuminate through all the smoke, but it does seem to have gotten worse. There are more powerful winds, but the winds have been on our side. We've got the best possible wind scenario today, apparently. I've seen the RJ100s come in this morning, and I've seen other smaller water bombers come in, so yeah, I'll share those videos. I also got some more video of it from the boat today. For anybody who's wondering, we hugged the other side of the lake to keep out of the way of the helicopters and emergency groups that are using the boat, using the lake, and keep within the boundaries from the police and fire boats, just in case anybody was wondering. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. I'll see you guys back next time.